Welcome from the Feed the Future Innovation Lab for Livestock Systems. This brief video will provide an introduction to a new manual developed by the Human and Institutional Capacity Development cross-cutting theme. This manual is focused on how to develop participatory training for adult learners. So, why should you use this manual? Let's take a moment to see how adults learn. According to the experiential learning cycle developed by educational theorist David Kolb, adults learn best through having a concrete experience, reflecting on that experience, reframing that experience to develop new ideas or ways of understanding, applying the new ideas to new or different situations, and transferring that information to their own life. This means that adults learn best when training is active. This manual focuses on how to develop participatory training for adult learners. It can also help you add participatory activities to your teaching. So, how does one develop participatory training? The manual will walk you through how to conduct a needs assessment to determine the training needs, how to develop measurable learning objectives, how to turn objectives into agendas and session plans, and includes detailed steps for how to develop participatory learning activities. The manual includes many helpful features, such as detailed instructions on how to develop your own participatory activities, including examples, suggestions for icebreakers, and energizers to help build trust and a positive learning environment, tips on how to manage a group during training, templates to work through developing your training, and suggestions for evaluating learners. The manual includes 17 distinct participatory activities and provides instructions on why and when to use each activity, how to design the activity, how to conduct the activity, how to change or adapt the activities for different cultural contexts, and an illustrative example within the context of livestock systems training. Some of the participatory activities presented in the manual include community mapping, where participants work together to draw a map of an area, usually the community, in order to identify important spaces, places, issues, or other geographically based information. Collective drawing, where participants collaborate to create a drawing based on a specific topic. This is often used to illustrate thoughts, feelings, and issues. Multiple different kinds of discussion activities, including how to run a discussion in dyads, small groups, and with the whole group. Debates, where participants are given opposing sides of an argument and must defend their side while arguing against the other side. Codes and role plays, where participants act out a situation. This is often used to tell a story, practice skills, and make attitudes and experiences come to life. Body mapping, where participants trace their body onto a large sheet of paper and indicate the external and internal influences related to their body, feelings, emotions, and more. Statement ranking, where participants demonstrate their view on an issue by ranking themselves along a continuum. Brainstorming, where participants collectively compile topics and information and may also sort or organize the information. Storytelling, where participants create a written, verbal, or illustrated story. And case studies, where participants read a story or example based on real or hypothetical situations and then utilize analytical and evaluative skills to practice what they have learned or to think critically about a topic. If you are interested in using this or other manuals, please visit the Feed the Future Innovation Lab for Livestock Systems website at the livestocklab.ifas.ufl.edu.